Hello everyone. Let us know about how to find perpendicular distance of a point from a straight line or distance between two parallel lines. This concept we have to clear by solving some examples. First example is find the length of perpendicular from the point 5, 4 on the straight line 2x plus y is equal to 34. This sum is appeared in winter 2024 and summer 2025 for 3 marks. So, solution for this given point is 5, 4. Let us consider this point as point P. Now, draw a perpendicular from point P on a line, and equation of this line is 2x plus y is equal to 34. Now, point lying on straight line is Q. Then PQ is perpendicular to straight line. 2x plus y is equal to 34. Let us take 34 on left hand side, means taking all terms on one side. Equation becomes 2x plus y minus 34 is equal to 0, and consider this as equation number 1. Now we are comparing this equation with general equation of straight line, which is given by ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Then ax is equal to 2x. This gives a is equal to 2. By is equal to y gives b is equal to 1. And constant term c is equal to minus 34. Now formula for finding perpendicular distance of point P from straight line 2x plus y is equal to 34. First of all, general formula, and that formula for distance PQ, which is perpendicular distance, which is equal to, considering point P as x comma y, hence x is equal to x coordinate of point P, which is 5, y is nothing but y coordinate of point P, which is equal to 4. Hence distance PQ is equal to ax plus by plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. This is in modulus. But here a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 34, x is 5 and y is 4. Hence, putting these values, 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4 plus c is nothing but minus 34 divided by square root of 2 square plus 1 square, which is equal to, now simplify this, 2 into 5 is 10 plus 1 into 4 is plus 4 and last term minus 34 divided by square root of 2 square is 4 plus 1 square is 1. This is equal to, in modulus sign, 10 plus 4 is 14 minus 34, that is minus 20 divided by square root of 4 plus 1 is 5. Modulus value of minus 20 upon square root of 5, that is nothing but plus 20 upon square root of 5, because distance is always positive. Hence this is answer. Let us solve second sum. Find the perpendicular distance of the point minus 3, 4 from the line 4 into bracket x plus 2 is equal to 3 times y minus 4, and this sum is appeared in summer 2024 for 3 marks. Let us solve this sum. Solution is considering point P minus 3 comma 4 as x1 comma y1. Meaning of this, x1 is minus 3, which is x coordinate of point P, and y1 is 4, which is y coordinate of point P. And line L is nothing but 4 into bracket x plus 2 is equal to 3 into bracket y minus 4. Let us simplify this equation. Multiplying bracket by 4, that gives 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 2 8 is equal to 3 into y is 3y minus 3 into 4 minus 12. Taking all terms on one side, which gives 4x minus 3y plus 20 is equal to 0, which is equation number 1. Now consider general equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which is equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and equation 2, that is nothing but ax is equal to 4x, that gives a is equal to 4. By is equal to minus 3y, that gives b is equal to minus 3, and constant term c is equal to 20. Perpendicular PQ is drawn on straight line L. Hence, distance, which is perpendicular distance of point PQ on straight line L, is given by distance PQ is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. Now put the values of a, b, c, x1 and y1. Hence, distance PQ is equal to, in modulus sign, 4 into bracket minus 3 plus minus 3 into 4 plus constant 20 divided by square root of a square means 4 square plus b square means minus 3 square. Hence, distance PQ is equal to 4 into minus 3 minus 12, minus 3 into 4 minus 12 plus 20 divided by square root of 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9 plus 9. After simplification, this is equal to minus 12 minus 12 minus 24 plus 20 divided by square root of 16 plus 9 is 25. Then this is equal to, numerator becomes minus 24 plus 20 is minus 4, and denominator square root of 25, that is 5. But this is modulus sign and distance is always positive. Hence, answer is 4 upon 5, which is perpendicular distance of point P from straight line L. Now, let us solve question number 3. Find the distance between the parallel lines. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. You know, these two lines are parallel. Means what? Only constant terms will be different. Hence, solution for this. First of all, let us write given two lines equations as it is. First line 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and second line 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Taking all terms on left hand side, first line becomes 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. And equation of second line can be written as 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to compare equation of first line with general equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and equation of second line with general equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. But here given lines are parallel to each other, hence a1 is equal to a2 which is equal to 3 and b1 is equal to b2 which is equal to 2 and constants are different, hence c1 is equal to minus 5 and c2 is equal to minus 6. Now general formula for finding perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is given by, in modulus sign, c1 minus c2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square. Hence this is equal to, in modulus sign, c1 is minus 5 and c2 is minus 6. Hence minus 5 minus of minus 6 divided by square root of 3 square plus 2 square, which is equal to minus 5 plus 6 divided by square root of 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4. This is again is equal to minus 5 plus 6 is 1 divided by square root of 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Hence modulus of 1 upon square root of 13. But we know distance is always positive. Hence 1 upon root 13 is answer. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.